Hello Standard 9, your Arun sir going to discuss about the biopractical and our topic is food taste. Food taste means what? Taking food and tasting on tongue. No, whether it is sweet or bitter. No, we are going to discuss about the presence of starch, glucose, protein, fats and oils in our food. Which food contain fat and oil, protein, glucose and starch. So let us start with a very easy test, presence of fats and oils. Which food contain fats and oils? And for that we will take a white paper. You can see I have taken a white paper. And can you name any of the food items which contain fats? Butter, ghee or any oil and groundnut. So I have taken groundnut. You can see here in my hand I have got groundnut. I will put groundnut here in this white paper. I will fold it, okay, and by the help of duster I will crush it. You can see here I will crush it. And after crushing, just we will throw the groundnut and against the light we will observe this. You can see here some mark is there, Wiley mark. If Wiley mark is left over this white paper, what does it indicate? It indicates the presence of fats and oils. Fat is solid and oil is in the liquid form. Okay, so how to detect the presence of fat and oils in our food item? We can see, we can do it. Same will be the case if you will take mustard oil. You must have it taken seen, and mustard also if you will keep, or coconut, and if you will crush it will leave a mark. So we have understood how to detect the presence of fats and oils in our food item. Next, let us discuss starch. Dear children, what is starch? Yes, green plants prepare their own food by the process known as photosynthesis. And what is the food of the plant? Dal, bhat, chokha, chutney, achar? No. The prepared food is the glucose. And whatever is used, it is used and it is stored for the future also. Suppose for a long period there is no sunlight, cloud, it means the plant will die. No. Extra food material is converted, is changed to starch and is stored in some storage organ. And one of the storage organ I am going to show. In my hand I have taken one potato, and potato contain starch. Okay, it contain starch. Now I have boiled this potato, because raw potato it is very difficult to show the presence of starch in raw potato. So I have boiled. Now I will remove the peel, not to make chokha or bharta. What I will do, a little bit potato I will take and I will keep in a test tube. You can see here in my hand test tube is there, and a little bit potato I have taken here. Okay, now you can see smashed potato, boiled smashed potato I have taken. Okay, and if we will put iodine solution, then if the color changes to blue black, it means it shows the presence of, and you can see in my hand I have got iodine solution. Now by the help of dropper I am taking a little bit iodine solution. You can see here iodine solution. As I will put, if starch is there, it will turn to blue black. Okay, you can see the color changed to blue black. Okay, understood or not? Once more let me show. This test tube is, yeah, you can see the change in color. The color changed to blue black. And if the color changes to blue black, what does it indicate? It indicates the presence of starch. So how to find the presence of starch we have understood. Once more, if we will crush in a white paper and it leaves a wily mark, then it indicates the presence of fats and oils. Next, to taste starch, we have taken boiled potato, smashed it and put iodine solution. If the color changes to blue black, it indicates the presence of starch. It means in potato starch is present, and starch is a complex type of sugar. Okay, glucose is converted to starch. Next experiment, that is presence of glucose. Okay, glucose means a type of sugar, simple type of sugar, and this taste is same as in diabetes mellitus. Diabetes, it is common that doctor goes we go to the doctor, our family member goes to the doctor, and there they are detected whether their urine contain sugar or not. And if the urine contains sugar, it means the patient is suffering from diabetes. Now, how the urine is tested? How the presence of sugar in urine is tested? Same technique here we are going to discuss the presence of glucose. And directly I have brought Glucon-D. You can see Glucon-D is here. You must have tested. Okay, for instant energy, this is taken, and it is a very simple form of sugar. So what we will do? We will take a little bit this glucose in a test tube. Okay, I have taken, you can see, a little bit glucose in the test tube. Now, for this, one chemical is required, and the name of that chemical is Fehling solution. Fehling A solution. Okay, Fehling solution. And a little bit Fehling solution, what I will do? I will take. Okay, and Fehling solution, and I will add Fehling solution in this glucose. Okay, or the food item which contain sugar. One example we can take, the food item which contains sugar, maybe grape. Okay, and grape is a very good source of sugar. Okay, and see here, Fehling solution, let me take in a beaker, and in this beaker Fehling solution I have taken. You can see the color. What is the color? Bluish. And I am putting Fehling solution in this glucose. You can see. Now, by the help of test tube holder, hold it, take it out. By the help of test tube holder, I will hold it. You can see here, by the help of test tube holder, I will take it, and here is the solution, and I will heat it. If the color changes to brick red and precipitate is formed, then it indicates the presence of glucose. Very clear or not? So what is the process we have understood? This is the process, and if we will heat, and it will change to blue, from blue color to red brick color, then it indicates the presence of, and we will heat in such a way that bubbles are seen, and slowly it will change to, see here, spirit lamp is there. Okay, and we will heat, and slowly this will change to reddish color. Burn it. Okay, and this indicates the presence of sugar. Same is the case, urine is taken in the test tube and failing solution is added, and after addition of failing solution, it is heated gently and slowly the color changes to brick red in color, and if the color changes to red, it indicates the presence of sugar in the food item. So directly we have taken sugar, that is the glucose, and if we will heat it, okay, so unable to show it, but if other day I will get, okay, let me heat it. Due to air, I am unable to burn this spirit lamp. You can see here, spirit lamp is there, and I will heat it. As we will heat, it will start forming bubbles, and slowly the color will change to brick reddish in color, and if the color changes to red, what does it indicate? It indicates the presence of sugar. So that is the process, okay, and this way only this urine is tested, okay, and if the urine is added with the failing solution, slowly it is heated, and you can see after some time the bubbles will be seen, and slowly it will change to red in color, brick red in color. So process you have understood. It may take time and we can't wait for that, and we have understood the process. And dear children, you can see boiling means bubbles formation almost started. You can see the bubbles are formed, okay, and it takes time, you can see, and I am keeping it here. If it changes, the color is changing to red, it means presence of sugar is there, and this way we can check the presence of glucose or sugar in the food item. And one more thing, presence of protein, which we will discuss in the next video. So I am sure you have understood it, the process you have understood, and in your book read it, and I will send you the copy how to write the practical. 3 already I have sample I have sent, and you must have started writing in November only. You have to submit the hard copy, and 20 marks depend on this practical only. If you want to get 20 marks, you have to complete it, you have to cover it neat and clean, and on white page you have to draw the diagram, okay, and you have to submit in November. So today up to this much. In the next video we will discuss the next part, and also we will discuss about the reduced syllabus of ICSE biology. Thank you very much.